So my name's Paul Rivens. I'm the General Manager for Riedel here in the UK. We're showcasing a couple of products. So Bolero, which is our wireless intercom solution, which we now have the standalone version here, as well as the integrated version with Artist, as well as the Riedel Smart Panel, the latest addition to the range, the 2RU Smart Panel with lever keys integrated into the panel. It's been an extremely well attended show once again. We're meeting all levels of people, so C-level business owners, project managers and engineers, as well as operational people, the people that actually use the equipment as well. So a real broad cross-section across the broadcast market. We've been supporting the show from the beginning, and we've already booked to be here next year. I think the show's just going to continue to grow. Yeah, it's moving to June, but I think that's going to be to the advantage of being post-NAB. So this means that any products that we launch at the NAB, we can debut here in the UK immediately afterwards. So that's got to be fantastic for the customers in the UK.